What's going on, everyone? Welcome to your video. Today I'm going to show you this screen recording app that I found. It's really useful. You can do a lot of stuff with it, and the best part is it's completely free. So let's get right into it. So first, you can see that I have the app here, and if you see these two things floating on the right side, these are the things I'm using to record. This is actually the same app that I'm showing you right now. So just go to your app store. I don't know if it's available on Apple or not. I'm using an Android, so I definitely know it's available on Android. So type in X Recorder, and when you have it downloaded, click it. So you can see here when we open it, there's a lot of different things. You can see how much space you have left on your phone. You can see this tools, which is really cool. So let's see if I put camera. You can see me, and you can probably see me on the camera there. So you can put this, and you can see different things. So you know what? Let's leave this here just for fun. Actually, you know what? Let's turn it off because I'm going to be doing a face cam anyway. You can screenshot stuff, so you can put different things for a screenshot. So you'll have this thing pop up and then it'll screenshot it. Pretty cool. Let's actually close that. So you can drag these kind of like you would do with a messenger bubble or anything. So you see I have this brush tool enabled. So brush over here, I can draw on the screen and it'll kind of do whatever I want. And you can erase stuff. You can do whatever you want. You can mess around. It's pretty cool. So you can mark stuff on tutorials when you're doing it on your phone. You can do it pretty easily. And I'm not actually sure what floating ball is. Let's see what that is. Okay, so when I'm not recording, I can do it, so I'll show you that maybe some other time, or I'll just mention it later. But you can see I have some clips that I recorded. I'm not going to scroll down because some of the stuff is different there, but I mean, these are some of the stuff I was trying to show. So there's this. You can show your photos, you can do different things. You can see that in the middle I'm recording, so you can see the duration. So you can edit your video here. You can do a lot of editing video. There's some pro features like video compression and stuff like that. I don't think you'll need it because you could just export this somewhere else. You can merge videos. Let's actually go to edit video just to see different things here. Pretty cool. Just see how it works. So you can see that there's some good features here. You can like crop in to things. That's pretty useful. You can do a bunch of different things. So this is just for your basic editing. If you want something different, check out one of my other videos where you could see this app that I showed that has multi-level video editing. You get multiple tracks, different things. It's really cool. Definitely check it out. So if I exit out, you can see all these different things. And then you can just see over here, you have different stuff. So you can change your audio settings. So I'm using my internal audio and my microphone so you can hear both. So if you see my headphones here, I'm recording here. And you can change the levels of this so you can get some really good audio. Video settings, same thing. You can only modify this when you're recording, but I mean when you're not recording, but you can do different video settings, so just play around with that. Orientation, landscape or portrait, different things. And you know, just make sure that you don't exceed certain limit because it might stop recording. So I'm going to try to keep this short as well. You know, different things. There's countdown, so you can make sure you start right when it's ready. So 3 seconds as I have it set. That's the default, I think. I haven't changed it. You can do a bunch of these settings, shake to phone to stop recording, all these really cool tools and stuff. So definitely check it out. It's a really, really cool app that you will find useful for doing tutorials where you can't use a camera. So definitely use it. It's called X Recorder. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This app is really useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share so people can see it. We want to make a cool creator community. So share this app, share the video. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.